In the fire protection industry, compliance isn't optional, it's mission critical. That's where Fieldmagic comes in. Built specifically for the Australian fire industry, Fieldmagic streamlines inspections, asset tracking and defect management, all in one powerful platform. Your technicians get a mobile app that simplifies in-field testing, captures photos and logs every detail right down to the asset level. Inspections follow AS 1851 schedules automatically with no manual tracking. Just set it once and Fieldmagic keeps your compliance on track. Found a defect, generate quotes directly from the inspection and trigger repair workflows instantly, reducing admin and speeding up approval. Your clients get full transparency via the client portal with real-time access to reports, quotes and job history. And for you, live dashboards show compliance rates, revenue opportunities and technician performance at a glance. Less paperwork, more billable hours and complete confidence in your compliance. That's Fieldmagic. Book a demo today at fieldmagic.co.